Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add your father's name to your Facebook profile using your PC. Whether you want to personalize your profile or honor your family, this quick tutorial will help you get it done easily. Let's dive in. First, open facebook.com on your web browser and log into your account. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo to open a drop-down menu. From there, select View Profile to access your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, find the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored. Click on it to proceed. Now, scroll down and locate the option labeled Details About You. Click on it to expand additional settings. Here, you'll see an option to add a nickname, a birth name, etc. Click on this link to start adding a new name. From the drop-down menu that appears under Name Type, choose Nickname. While this is typically used for nicknames, it's also a great place to add your father's name as a meaningful detail. Next, type in your father's name in the text field provided. Double-check for any spelling errors to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Congratulations! You've successfully added your father's name to your Facebook profile. Now, whenever someone visits your profile, they'll see this special addition under the Details About You section. It's a simple yet thoughtful way to personalize your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to do the same. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.